Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we'll start working on our shooting mechanics, the health system and also the respawn system for our player and granny. Alright. First of all what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the basement. Here is the shotgun. So now for the shotgun we're gonna create a shooting controller. So click on games folder, then scripts folder, and then right here create a new folder by the name of shooting. Then inside create a new C# script by the name of shooting controller. Once it is created, click on the shotgun and drag and drop the script. Then let's open this up. Right here what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the start and update method, and at the top we're gonna add a reference to our camera. Name this as player camera. Then we need to create a float by the name of shoot range. By default set it to 100. Then create a public integer by the name of max bullets, and the maximum bullets the shotgun will have is 3. Alright, then create another float by the name of shoot cooldown, and this will be equals to 0.5. Alright, this will be the time between shots. Then create another float by the name of give damage off. This will be equals to 40 by default. Then make a reference to a audio clip. This will be the shooting sound. Okay, then make a reference to a audio source. And name this as audio source as well. After this, create a private integer by the name of current bullets. Then another private float by the name of last shoot time. Then what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna create a start method, and in the start method we will set the current bullets to the maximum bullets. Then right down below let's create a shoot method in which we're gonna say that if the current bullets are greater than 0, it means that if the shotgun has bullets, then in that case what we're gonna do, we're gonna say right here is last shoot time equals to time dot time, because now we are shooting, so we will set that. Then when we shoot we want the current bullets to decrease by 1, so we will use current bullets minus minus. After that we want to play a sound. So for playing a shooting sound, first of all we're gonna check that if the shooting sound is not null. Alright, and when it is not null, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna say audio source dot play one shot, and we're gonna play the shooting sound. Alright, then after this, in order to shoot, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a raycast from the player camera in the forward direction. Alright, and then if that ray hits the granny in the environment, then we will give damage to a granny. Alright, for example, we have a first person controller, so right here this is our camera. Alright, and in the camera we set up the shotgun right here, for example. Alright, then from this camera we're gonna play or you can say we're gonna create a raycast in the forward direction. Alright, and then if this ray hits the granny right here, then we're gonna give damage to this granny. Alright, so let me show you how we can do that. First of all, create a raycast hit type variable by the name of hit. In this we're going to store the information. Now let's create a raycast. So we will say physics.raycast. We want to create it from the camera position. So camera dot transform dot position, and we want to create this in the forward direction. So for that we're going to say camera dot transform dot forward. Alright, then whatever this ray hits, we want to store it inside this hit variable, and we want this ray to be controlled by the shoot range, because we don't want this ray to be created in a infinity distance. Alright, then we're gonna say if we can create this ray. Alright, so if we can create this ray, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna damage the granny. But right now we don't have any health system for the granny, so right here we just gonna say for now that hit, and we will show whatever we hit. So we will say hit dot collider, make sure the C is small right here, and then dot name. Alright, and right here we're gonna damage the granny in the upcoming videos, so just leave that as it is for now. Now right after this we will show that how many bullets are left inside the shotgun. So we will say shot fired, then we're gonna say bullet left, and we're gonna show the current bullets. Alright, and now if there are no bullets left, right here we say if the current bullets is greater than 0, it means that if the shotgun has bullets. But if the shotgun doesn't have any bullets, then in the else block we just simply gonna say that no bullets left. Alright, so this will be our shooting controller. So if you save the script, get back right here, as you can see here it is everything. Let's add the player camera. So we're gonna drag and drop the main camera in there. Then for the sounds we're gonna go inside the audio folder, and right here let's find the shoot sound, which is this one. Okay, so click on the shotgun again and drag and drop the shoot sound in there. And then for the audio source we're gonna use the player audio source. Alright, because the player has an audio source right here. Now we can go ahead and play the game again. Alright, let's pick this up. Okay, we pick up the shotgun. Let me show you the console. If we, for example, hit this chair. Okay, right now we can't shoot, and the reason behind this is we didn't set up a shoot button. Alright, so now let's first of all go ahead and set up a shoot button. For that we're gonna use the update method, and in the update we're gonna say if input dot get button down, and that button is the mouse left button. So actually let me just remove this. Alright, and instead of this we're gonna say input dot get mouse button down. Alright, and we're gonna use 0, and when we press this then we will say shoot. That is it. And of course we don't want to shoot all of the bullets in one click. We want to shoot it a little bit after delay. So for that we're gonna say right here and time is greater than the last shoot time plus the shoot cooldown, and that's it, I think. Alright, we can get back right here, and now just simply go ahead and play the game. Okay, right here click on console and then pick up the shotgun. As you can see, we pick up the shotgun. Now if you shoot this, as you can see, it plays this sound and it shows hit cube. Alright, because this object name is cube. Alright, this chair name, and as you can see it shows shot fired and bullet left is 2. Now if you drop this and let the granny come towards us, let me pick it up again. As you can see, the granny is coming. You can hear the footstep sound. Now if we try to shoot the granny, as you can see, it shows hit granny test 6 because that is the granny name, as you can see. Alright, and now if we try to shoot, as you can see, we are unable to shoot because all of the bullets are used and it says no bullet left. Alright, we can't escape the granny, so let me now just stop the game. Okay, our shooting works perfectly fine, and now in the next video what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply damage to the granny, and when the granny dies we will respawn the granny again. So with this done, see you guys in the next one.